Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of the Fame Jacking Method, which launched on the 6th of August at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 9 a.m. in fact. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from Nate Fancher. And it's showing you a way that you can hijack the fame of anything and grow a massive audience business doing it and bank easy $1,000 commissions in the process. Now, this method actually focuses primarily on Instagram, and Nate is something of an expert in this field, having grown an account from 0 to 90,000 plus followers in just over, I think, about 9 or 10 months, of which he achieved the first 50,000 of those followers in the first 5 months. Now, this is a really good course. If you've been putting off Instagram previously, I know that it's a social media platform that a lot of you avoid. Some of you think that it's a platform that just your kids are on. There have been a few good courses on Instagram this year. IG Money Tree, I seem to remember, was a pretty good one. But I think this one probably tops the lot because it's taught in such an easy to follow way, and it's got a lot of depth to it and a lot of value on the front end as well for a low front end price. So if this sounds like something that you have been putting off getting involved with Instagram, well, now is your chance, folks. And if you have dabbled with Instagram and are looking for something to really take it forward and to really get you extra engagement, then this could be the course for you. So I would say, although it's obviously very suitable for newbie internet marketers, this course is also very good for intermediate level marketers as well, who sort of know their way around internet and affiliate marketing and maybe even some social media platforms, but have maybe not managed to have a great deal of success with Instagram currently. So if this sounds like you, listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up the Fame Jacking Method from the link immediately underneath this review video. I've put together 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will, I'm afraid, expire. And as usual, folks, that's not something that I want to happen, because they are, as the title suggests, custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of the Fame Jacking Method, because remember, you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and way more helpful than perhaps what other marketers are offering. So what exactly is the Fame Jacking Method? Well, it's a way that you can become an authority in any niche and use it to put cash in your pockets, hijack the fame of anything, can grow a massive audience business doing it, and bank easy $1,000 commissions in the process. There's an in-depth sales video here, which I strongly recommend you watch. It's also on my bonus page. Let's just have
followers, 270,000 followers, 470,000 followers, 90,000 followers, 230,000 followers, 200,000 followers, 4.8 million followers.
Just some examples of the way that people in the MMO niche have grown their Instagram businesses there. The front end price for this, by the way, is going to be just $12.95, folks, so it is an absolute bargain at that price. I will also be taking you inside the members area. Here's the members area for the Fame Jacking Method, so we'll go through that in a little bit more detail, and then we'll also have a look at the sales funnel as well at the various upsells. So Nate would like to show you a way of how to grow a massive Instagram audience in the next 100 days or less and teach you how to make big affiliate commissions in the process. Today there'll be 95 million posts added to Instagram, but only about 30% of an average user's posts are ever seen in the feed by their followers. I'm surprised it's even as high as that, actually, folks. All right, so I'm not going to spend a massive amount of time on the sales page, although we will come back to it and go through the key points, because I want to concentrate obviously on my own bonuses and having a quick look in the members area. So first, let's go and cover off these custom bonuses. So as I said, when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This review video that I'm recording will be here. Just a quick overview of what the fame jacking method's all about. No more looking at a dead social media profile. No more hacks or grinding away for years with the follow-unfollow strategy. No more chasing down potential clients. With this, they'll come to you. Grow a valuable source of warm traffic for any offer. Receive hundreds of direct messages from new followers and fans asking for your help and advice. Monetize your audience with affiliate marketing, your own products and services, or flip theme pages for a profit. And here, as I said, is that sales video, which I recommend that you watch, which is the same as on the sales page. So what am I going to throw in here? Well, I think you can never have too much knowledge on a subject, so I'm going to throw in a couple of other bits of training for Instagram as well. The first one is this 7-day crash course called 7 Days to Instagram Success. It's designed to be watched over 7 days because each of the trainings about 1 hour each day. Obviously, you could watch it all in one sitting, but that would take up a whole day of your time. So I recommend that you do the course as it's intended and do it over a week. You could do that in tandem with doing the training here for the fame jacking method. Also, a quick little hack on how to get 1,000 followers on Instagram in 3 days. Get you off to a good start with the fame jacking method. So why not have a look at that? Going to include a wider social media masterclass here, of which obviously Instagram forms a part. This is an hour and a half long, and it will tell you all the main monetization methods for social media platforms. I know that Nate himself intends to expand on producing more products for the other social media platforms in time. This will give you a bit of a heads up. And on that subject, here is probably the best Facebook course out there. It's by Art Flair. I really like this one, Effortless Facebook Profit. So I'm going to throw that in as one of the best methods for monetizing Facebook. And finally, if you didn't already have enough training, you certainly will now. I'm going to include this intermediate level digital marketing 11-hour masterclass. So this will teach you all the nuts and bolts about everything you need to know about SEO, link building, content marketing, creating lists, sales, blogs, vlogs, everything you can think of, basically. And it's 11 hours long, so you can dip in and out of it over a period of time and gradually build up your online marketing knowledge. Great whether you're either a newbie or intermediate level. So I hope you can see, folks, that I've added a lot of additional value there for a product that only has a front end price anyway of $12.95. The usual testimonials and results and confirmation of what you'll be getting with this method. So you'll be getting the Fame Jacking Method ebook. It's a complete method, no stone unturned, 16 primer system for growing fast, visuals with step-by-step instructions. You can apply the methods and see results. You'll also get the audio version for non-readers, or readers for whom English isn't perhaps their first language. You can listen from any advice. What Nate recommends that you do, and I actually agree, is that you actually read and listen. So not necessarily at the same time, but read the e-version of the book and also listen to the audio version, because we all absorb information in slightly different ways. So I think that would be a pretty cool thing to do. In the members area, you will also see, I'll just show you in a minute, 16 videos on the 16 key primers that are inside this. So we've got everything that you could need, folks, to learn this method fully. You've got a written version of the content, you've got an audio version of the content, and you've also got videos to bring the main points of the content to life. So you really can't fail with this, folks. And also, this is actually a product from one of the upsells, or rather it's not a complete upsell, but it's an example of one of the videos from inside one of the upsell products, which is Audience Business Blueprint. blueprint, and Nate has included it on the front end because these are the 4 musts of fame jacking, and he wanted to make sure that you get them whether you take the upsell or not, which is very good of him, I think. Okay, so the first bonus, these are the vendors bonuses, 10k every month high ticket training. I'm going to show you where you can find that in the members area. The Make Money Online Industry Exposed, learn how to use fame jacking with high ticket sales, bank easy commissions every day, high impact 3-part video training series. Second bonus is Coke's masterful marketing secret revealed, how Coca-Cola gets in the heads of millions. Fascinating this is actually, folks. And finally, a Will Smith interview on the power of story. And I think that Nate is actually going to add another bonus video as well. It's not actually mentioned on here, which deals with his another monetization method he uses on launch jacking. So let's have a quick look inside the members area, folks. So this is the main sort of overview, which I recommend that you watch. I would say you must watch this when you first log in.
What is going on, guys? Nate here, and I'm excited to have you in the members area of the fame jacking method. This is a welcome video, and I'm going to just walk you through a couple of things and
all right, so watch that, folks. He explains things in a really clear and very listenable style, I have to say. So once you've done that, so you can download the PDF version of the book. Just click on there, right click to download it wherever you want to save that. Yeah. And then you can also, as I said, and I would recommend you do both, is listen to the audio version as well. It's about an hour long, the audio version of the book. Yeah. So I recommend that you do both. I recommend that you do actually read the hard copy version and that you also listen to this version. Obviously, if there's some issue with you with written English, then just listen to the audio version. And then, as I said, there's this bonus which is actually from one of the upsells, which we'll go on to in a minute, which is the 4 musts of fame jacking. Yeah, so that is included as an additional bonus there. And then you've got your primers. So these are your key there are 16 key primers that you need to follow as part of the training. It will become clear as you work your way through it. And there are video versions for each set of 4 of these that will bring it all to life. Yeah, so you can see you've got 1 to 4 there, you've got 5 to 7 there, you've got 8 to 12 there, and obviously 13 to 16 there. You've got upgrades here. If you miss the upgrades, there is a second chance to get them. They won't actually be quite as cheap as they are on the OTO page, so just a bit of a warning there. If you want these upgrades, I do advise you to get them when you get the opportunity, because they're a little bit more expensive inside here in the members area, but you can still get them. Your bonuses are here. So this is your Will Smith interview, your Coca-Cola interview, and your executive mafia review. And then this is where you access your 10k a month training. So just click on this button up here, folks, and then you can watch all of that training and get the details on how you can make $1,000 a day commissions. Yeah, so very, very good product this, folks. Let's just complete the sales page. So this will be open, this cart. In fact, I think the cart probably is open now. Let me just do this because we've gone past 9 a.m. Is this going to load up? Just bear with me 1 second, folks. Yeah, so $12.95, as I said, is the price. Click on the buttons for access. There is Nate, and there's his associate Taylor Huffman. And that is pretty much all the sales page. So let's have a look then at these upsells. So as I said, great value on the front end, folks. I think this is a bargain for $12.95. So the first upsell is your Instagram Money Power Pack, which is $27.95. This includes 3 proven funnels that work on Instagram, along with video training for how to easily set them up. So if you want a done-for-you solution, then that is provided for you there. The second upsell upsell is Instagram influencer fast track case studies. As I said, these are going to be more expensive inside the members area. This is $37. You can learn directly from other top influencers in these powerful case studies. The pages have a combined following of over 1 million followers, and you will get high level strategies for how to grow massively and monetize more quickly than you would have thought possible. The third upsell is Audience Business Blueprint Bundle. This is the one where I was saying that part of the training, a little small part of the training, is included as an additional bonus on your front end. And also a 30-day done-for-you fame jacking kickstart. This is $297. Now, there is a downsell, which is just for the Audience Business Blueprint Bundle without the 30-day fame jacking kickstart. Now, here you will get, if you take the full upsell, you'll get 30 days of done-for-you engagement and growth implemented for you by Nate and the team. So in other words, they will actually grow your Instagram account. They'll grow your page for a full month. You'll also get access to the most affordable content creators, so you can outsource the content creation part of the fame jacking method. Audience Business Blueprint, the other part, so in other words, this is the downsell part, is an online program that covers a more exhaustive look at building an audience on Instagram with over 30 advanced training videos teaching your customers to monetize their Instagram page. You will have every money-making strategy that you need for Instagram. And included in this bundle is another course on how to design posts that go viral using Canva called Psychology Design Masterclass. Nate will teach you how to wield the power of Gestalt psychology. Not often you see that phrase on a sales page, to persuade their followers on social media to like, comment, and share their posts. And members at this level will be qualified to get 60% commissions on all the upsells of the fame jacking funnel after the launch for life. And finally, the actual license rights. If you want to sell this and get 100% commissions, then the license rights are there to sell fame jacking method as your own product for $97 is the price of that. So I would certainly recommend, folks, that you take these. Well, the money power pack's very good. The done for you method. These case studies are always great. And if you want everything completely done for you for a month, then I would say $297 is pretty good value to have your account grown by this team for a month, because, you know, based on their previous methods, they're probably pretty likely to get you 10,000 followers during that time, which is pretty cool. So, and real followers, of course, none of these are fakes or bots or anything like that. This is an organic method, so they're all genuine people that will be engaging, not fake followers or bot followers. All right, folks, so that is pretty much it for the fame jacking method. Strongly recommend you pick this up, folks. If you want to get all of these extra bonuses, it's been a little while, so just a reminder what they are. Click on the green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Add to Cart, and then you will come back into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of the fame jacking method, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to that. This is the best Instagram course I would say that I've seen, so I'm going to give it 4.5 out of 5 on the Elite Tigers Group rating. And all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of the fame jacking method.